Today's Tuesday. Tomorrow we're heading up. This is our last run. Bows are on in front of us. Right, big hills on the Secretary Island. Here's Crocodile. We're heading up Pendula Ridge now. It's Thompson Arm. We left behind that island there. Bradshaw Arm up to the right, we're getting up here later on. Secretary Island in front of us. Frewza Island to the left. First arm to the left there. We're in the Pendula Ridge at the moment. We've just stopped. As you can see, we've got some dolphins in here. So we're just idling here, coming in pretty close. A few there. At least half a dozen, if not more. It's actually quite nice not having a motor going. You can. So you got these guys here. And further out, there's quite a few. You can see them breaking the water. And the other side of us, there's quite a few too. You can hear the bird life in Secretary Island. It's quite neat. Coming up Thompson Sound now. Secretary Island on the left. Deas Cove is up to the right. You're going to have a look up there. See a big boat out there, another smaller boat in front of us. Pretty major country in here. Look at all the big rocks up there. Fiordland at its finest. Coming to Deas Cove. Lovely little sheltering bay here. Bit of a slip up the right. I think the deer on there get a bit of a thrashing. Don't think too many that come out here will survive. And to the left of the bay as we head in, you can see a hut. You can see a large mooring buoy there. Somewhere in this bay there's a mooring rope apparently across it. Parked in Deas Cove, just pull up. Sandflies are amazing. Just incredible. We'll have a quick walk up the hut, head back out. I can see when no one's here, all these sandflies. Here's the firewood shed from the hut. A little bit of firewood there. Could have a bit more. Oh, it's a bit more on the deck, which is good. Water tank. Nice big veranda. Fancy track off to what looks like a fancy bio-loo type thing. Toilet up there. Like a bench outside here. Could be a kitchen filleting area. Bit of human bloody rubbish, unfortunately. And a bit of intel about Fiordland. A bit nosy inside. Looks pretty comfortable, eh? Big table, have a big bench, a bit of stuff on it. Bunks up here. Looks like there's 10 mattresses there. A nice fireplace. Good view. You see a little boat out there. Our launch is out there. A 14-footer. Right, we better go before we get all our blood sucked out by these sand flies. We're heading back up Thompson Sound now, and then we're going to go down to Bradshaw Sound. Down there. Secondary island over here. We're coming into Bradshaw Sound now. Run up the Bradshaw Sound. There's a river up there, Camelot River. Have a look in there. So that's Thompson Sound we just come out of. We're running up Bradshaw Sound now. The sound splits up ahead. The right hand end goes up to Camelot River, left hand end goes up to another little arm, so we'll get up here and have a look at both arms while we're here. This is our once in a lifetime trip, exploring Fiordland in a 14-foot city. Doubtful Sound anyway. You can see on the chart plotter we've come up the head of Bradshaw Sound. Up to the left there is Precipice Cove. See out there. And out to the right, the Bradshaw Sound continues and becomes the Camelot River, which is out that way. It's amazing calm up here today. This is quite a change from the last few days we've had up here. In fact, this is definitely the best day of the lot. So here we are, top of Bradshaw Sound, and we look back and what do we see? Coming out of a Pendulo Reach heading into Thompson Sound. It's one of those cruise liners.
Looks like another Princess cruise boat.
So we're at the head of Precipice Cove at the moment, which is on the left hand fork as you head up Bradshaw Sound. Nice flat little area up here which might be okay to go chase a deer if you're keen. Getting up ahead of Bradshaw Arm now. There's Cavalier Head there. Looks like a spot to step out your rifle and go for a walk around. I think could be quite swampy in there too. That right at the head of us arm, you should come across the Camelot River. So we've done our little decoy up here, up the gear arm or gear arm, or whatever you can call it. Camelot River is in that low wetland forest down there. We've just had our last fish on the big island here. We're about to run back into Deep Cove.